Files are gone? Frustrated by permanently deleted files? This tutorial video will show you how to recover permanently deleted files in seconds. Let's see. Now I open a file folder in the D drive that saves my pictures. They are in WebP or PNG format. I select these 4 images, then right-click to delete them. In this case, the deleted files are recoverable by the recycle bin. You can see that they are in the recycle bin after the deletion, and they are not the permanently deleted files. We can simply click the Restore button to restore them to the original path. This time, we press the Shift and the Delete keys to permanently delete these 4 images. They will bypass the recycle bin and be deleted from your Windows computer. Check the recycle bin. They are not here. What now? Simply launch the Data Recovery Expert, Syncios Savior, to recover the permanently deleted files. Choose the partition that we want to recover data from. After the quick scan, Syncios performs the deep scan. During this process, you can search for your deleted files by catalog or type. Filter the images by format and date, and I can easily locate them. Next, I click the Preview button to preview and confirm that they are the permanently deleted files I want to recover. After the selection, simply click the Recover Now button. Then choose an output path to store the recovered files. Immediately, we can see that Syncios has recovered my files. Under the recovered path we set before, all the permanently deleted files are recovered successfully. Open my original file folder now. We can see more clearly that deleted files are back. That's all. Download Syncios Savior to recover your permanently deleted files now. If you have any other thoughts, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.